Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. So today we are going to transfer amount from Wise account to any bank. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in home page and then you see send. So there are multiple ways to transfer amount to any bank account. Now you see send button. If you want you can use this, or if you want you can add recipient. So click on it and then you see there is no recipient, so click on add. So click on it. Now you see select their currency. So you can select bank account currency. So you can select Euro, British Pound, Indian Rupees, United States Dollar. So it's up to you. If you want you can select PKR for Pakistan. Now you see. Now select USD. Now you see enter bank detail. So we are going to transfer amount from Wise account to bank. So click on it and then you see who is your recipient, myself, someone else. Now select someone else. So click on it. Now you see enter their account detail. If you want you can add email. Now you see recipient bank detail, ACH. You see full name of account holder, routing number, account number, wire. Now you see full name of account holder. Now you see SWIFT. So you can add BIC code, IBAN account number, select country, city and then click on confirm. So it's up to you. So you can use any option. Now you see country. So you can select United States, United Kingdom, any country you want. And then you can add city, recipient address, postcode and then click on confirm. So there is another way to send amount. Now go to home page again. So we are in home page and then you see send button. So click on it. Now you see amount, recipient, review, pay. Now you see you send USD, recipient get PKR. So you can select any country. Now you see UAE, Australian dollar. So you can select any country and then you send USD. Now add 100. Click on it and then you see PKR 27. Paying with connected bank account ACH. So click on change. If you want you can select connected bank account, debit card, wire transfer, international wire. Also you see all detail, should arrive, fees, you see all details. So it's up to you. So you can select any option and then you see arrive in second, including in USD. So this is our fees and then click on add and then you see enter bank details. So click on it. So you can select someone else. So we are in recipient and then you see enter their account detail. Now you see email, it's optional and then you see recipient bank detail. So you can add full name. Now you see IBAN. So you can add IBAN. So this field depend on different countries. So we select Pakistan. So that's why I show IBAN. If you select another country like US, UK. So this change. Now you see country. Now select Pakistan. And then you can add IBAN, city, recipient address, postcode and then click on confirm. And then you see review and then click on pay. So in this way you can transfer amount from Wise account to bank account. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.